I'm sure we all have got the suggestion to get a bank job at least once in our life because such jobs are stable and is considered to be excellent sector to make a career. According to an estimate by NSDC, which is National Skill Development Corporate, by 2022, the banking sector will add 1.6 million skilled workforce. This is in addition to the existing employment of 1.38 million. So this is a great opportunity for anyone who is looking to get into a banking sector. Are you someone who has a keen interest in the world of banking? Do you possess leadership qualities to lead and oversee others? Or do you think you're good enough to deal with customers? Then the career path of bank manager is definitely for you. Hi, I'm Namrata. Welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. And today I'm going to tell you about how to become a bank manager in India, the eligibility criteria, the roles and responsibilities of bank manager, and the advantages and disadvantages of a bank manager. In order to know the process of how to become a bank manager, you need to first know the basic objectives of a bank management, which is building optimal and organic systems of interactions between different banking mechanisms and to ensure maximum profit. Understanding the eligibility criteria. To get into a banking sector and become a bank manager, you need to first understand whether you are eligible for this job. In terms of educational qualifications, graduation is the minimum requirement. Candidates must hold a bachelor's degree in business administration or any other relevant field. Companies prefer candidates who hold a bachelor's degree in, say, financing, account, or even math. Well, in terms of work experience, companies usually prefer candidates who have at least 3 years of experience. Well, some companies also prefer candidates who have previously completed their training in any relevant field. Other criteria that include is that candidates should be certified in public accounting or financial planning. Besides, the candidate should also possess certain skills such as administration, interpersonal skills, problem-solving skills, people management, numeracy, and leadership, among others. Now, let's look at some of the courses that you can pursue in order to become a bank manager. Well, you can pursue BBA, which is Bachelor of Business Administration, for which the course fee will range from something around 27,000 to 8 lakh. You can do BBA in Finance, which is 1.20 lakh to 8.30 lakh. You can also do BCom in Taxation and Finance, where you have to pay rupees, say 50,000 to 80,000. Then you can do MCom in Finance, for which your course range will be 50,000 to around 2 lakhs. And also you can do MBA in Finance Management, for which you'll have to pay for the course is 25,000 to 6 lakhs. Let's look at the types of job roles that you can take up as a bank manager. So basically there are two types of bank manager. One is retail bank manager. The other one is commercial bank manager. A retail bank manager usually manages the transactions between various bank branches across the country, whereas the commercial bank manager deals with medium and small sized companies and provides them financing and banking services. The other profiles that is available for a bank manager includes branch manager, financial planner, financial advisor. You can be CA, you can be banker, investment banker, wealth manager, etc. What are the different job opportunities for you as a bank manager where you can apply? Here, we are going to look at some of the companies and areas where you as a bank manager can apply. You can apply in brokerage firm 21%, banks 48%, consultancies 9%, insurance companies 12%, and others, which is other financial institutions, that is 10%. So if you ask me who are the top recruiting agencies that will take you as bank managers, then I must say that it is State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, then you have Kotak Mahindra Bank, IDBI Bank, among others. Now let's look at some of the responsibilities of a bank manager. It is to develop and promote services and products to your customers, creating database of banking operations, then hiring new people and training them, meet your customers and solve their problems and listen to their complaints. Now let's take a glance at what is the pay structure once you become a bank manager. So first, a bank manager who is good at, say, relationship and communication skills, then you can earn up to 7 lakh per annum. However, if you have 5 years of experience or more, then you can earn up to 9 to 10 lakhs per annum. Well, everything has a pros and cons in it, and so does jobs. So, well, if you ask me what are the advantages of this job, then I'll tell you first is your salary, is a good pay, of course. Then second is that you don't have to work on weekends and you'll have fixed work time. And thirdly, you will be updated on what's going on in the market, about finance, about everything. Well, if we go to the cons of becoming a bank manager, then there is a lot of competition in this position. Then you have to have a 3 years experience. Then you have to solve problems and be responsible for everything. So if this video helps you in any way or you found it informative, then do like the video and also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post the next video. If you want to learn or know about, say, financing, business, agriculture courses, career building courses, then do download the Financial Freedom app right now. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Be wise and get rich.